absolutely buzzing, Vin. The wait is over. College basketball begins now.
Opening night, Friartown. These fans stand until the first bucket, and they are cooking here this evening. Monday night student section going.
Everybody get their mind right. Remember, if you're not in the game, stay in the game, bro.
And the wait is over. College basketball is back in Friartown. For Jason Edwards, who hands it off to the big fella, Oswin Erunse. 2 blocks that possession. He was second in the Big East in rejections last year. And to the rack. Mila on the offensive end.
Here we go.
This is the freshman Stephon Fox from Estonia.
But a heads-up dish by Davis. Trying to keep it tight when you're wide open from deep.
Deja vu, the freshman. After a slow start offensively, the Friars are awake. Mila. Fox with authority. Get out of my way, he says.
He is crafty.
Tail back to Edwards. Guard to guard. 2 or 3. Erunse loves one up and Jones hammers it down. Oh yeah! Jameer Jones! Exclamation point! Sellers gets it to go in the foul. Town Providence Friars, who begin the 25-26 campaign 1-0.